Hey everyone, welcome to the XCM Livestock Market Report for today, the 16th of December.
It is indeed
2015.
15.
In a day, Dougal, how would you describe today?
Very joyous sort of day, Paddy.
A holy night indeed. 1,000 cattle yard. Oh, I've got to do this in. 1,000 cattle yard today in a probably improved quality yardage. Ruby running cattle
Indeed.
today.
Yep.
We saw obviously a few orders filling up as we're getting into Christmas, but how good was the trade? Started with the export Dougal, how were the bulls?
Yeah, look, only about 4 bulls here today. 36 last week. Anyway, look, a little bit softer there on the bulls because a few of them weren't buying them. Heavy cows fully firm on last week. Lighter cows, however, just because everywhere is full, they did probably take a hit of about 20 cents here today. Heavy export steers, fully firm, may have been 5 cents better. They topped out at 293, and heifers, they topped out at 278. How's the trade, Paddy?
Very exciting day to be in the trade market. We saw the white meat calves, the little white vealers making up to $4 a kilo. Well done. We saw consistently the splitter calves making $2.90 to $3.60. But a magnificent run of those restocker sort of cattle, those black steers.
Yeah.
Black steers consistently making $3.28 through to $3.38, and the heifers making $2.90 through to $306 or 7 cents.
Yeah.
So a really good run of cattle, and everyone was into them. We had orders here from Queensland, we had orders from the Philippines, Tasmania, and even a little order from little Kiribati over in the South
Kiribati.
Pacific. Well done to our Kiribati friends.
Yeah, we'll see them in July next year.
July, I think they're going to swim there. It'll be fine. Obviously, Johnny's going to be mustering them. Other than that, all good.
All good.
We'll attach a new draw to the market report if it's done. Otherwise, work on us being second sale at the start of the new first sale back is the 6th of January 2016. Yeah, so we're very excited to be back then. Other than that, Johnny boy, say goodbye. Johnny's back from schoolies.
Yep.
He's just got his HSC results. He got 99.47. And his father's a little bit disappointed. He's not going to be a doctor, he's going to be a stock agent. We understand that because
That was out of 500 too, by the way.
he didn't do as well as he'd hoped. Jeffrey got his results back.
He got his result. What did he get, Jeff?
Matriculation.
Yeah.
And other than that, Dougal, our results are always positive.
Yeah, always good. Anyway, on behalf of us all here, have a very Merry Christmas and a very prosperous 2016.
Happy and safe break. Have a good
Now,
one.
are we singing that hymn?
Oh, holy night. Have a great one.
Till next year.
Thank you. Here's the best of the cows. The black cow weighed 225. Parrot cow weighed 222. Bullocks here making 285. Here's a lovely harness here that Graham Francis out of Exeter making $2.90. 3 or 4 cents better than last week. Next door here's some steers making $2.93. And the heifers making up to $2.75. Plain of cows and dairy cows are a fair bit cheaper today. Best one making $1.70, back to $1.40, and Jersey only $1.
Is this the new reindeer for Santa's sleigh? Nah, this is just me potty car, Corky.
For everyone here at Clearyville, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. From everyone, from all the girls and of course Corky, and the Wonder Dog survives. One, go.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everyone from all the people out at Joaja and Exeter.
And are you from Exeter or Serbia?
No, my hometown is Exeter.
Does Santa come to Serbia?
Of course, I sit on a lap too.
Merry Christmas, everybody from the Moss Vale selling sale yards.
That Roy Orbison beside you.